Welcome back to Willow and Stumps, where we don't just talk about cricket, we bring you the stories that shape it. Today, we are joined by someone who has been quietly making waves in Indian domestic cricket. He's been part of Baroda Cricket Association for over 7 years, representing the state in tournaments like Vijay Merchant Trophy, Kuch Behar, Vinu Mankad, CK Naidu, and more. He's taken a 10-wicket haul in the Kuch Behar Trophy, been selected for the National Cricket Academy, and is currently grinding it out at the Under 23 off-season camp at Kotambi. Please welcome a name you will be hearing a lot more of in the coming years, Karan Umar. Welcome, bhai.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much for having me.
So we'll start from very beginning. Okay, what was the first moment or turning point that made you believe that cricket wasn't just a game or passion, but something you could pursue seriously?
So, since I was a kid, I loved imitating bowlers' actions in my living room. And then slowly, gradually, I went on to play cricket at club level. But the turning point came when I got selected for the off season camp at the under 16 level. So, that was a time where I thought that this might be my year to represent the Baroda Cricket Association in the Vijay Merchant Trophy.
Oh, that was something like game changing for you. And it has been 7 years you have been associated with the Baroda Cricket Association, and you have represented almost at all age groups. And it is not a small feat that you have achieved something like this. So, what has been your journey with the Baroda Cricket Association?
It has been a beautiful journey because it started from under 16 and I have not looked back since. And I'm looking forward for playing for the Ranji team as soon as possible. And it was more of I just wanted to try out cricket because I had been playing badminton before I started cricket. So I loved bowling. And ever since I was bowling, I loved fast bowling. So that has been my love. And I just wanted to play for Baroda. That was the dream because in our academy there were people who were, playing Ranji Trophy at their time, and they were the logo of the BCA on their T-shirts, and I thought that I I want that. So yeah.
And you said that you dreamt of becoming a pacer since you took up cricket. And fast bowler is something that doesn't come to human body naturally. उसके लिए हमको क्या थोड़ा एफर्ट ज़्यादा लगता है एंड वो नॉर्मल रनिंग जैसा नहीं होता है फास्ट बॉलिंग में. तो आपने फास्ट बॉलिंग कई और आप इंजरीज से कैसे डील करते हो, क्योंकि इंजरीज फास्ट बॉलर्स के साथ एकदम सिनोनिमस होती है.
हाँ, तो इंजरीज तो पार्ट एंड पार्सल है फास्ट बॉलिंग के लिए. इट इज मोर ऑन हाउ यू रिकवर एंड हाउ फास्ट यू रिकवर फ्रॉम दोज इंजरीज. सो इंजरीज तो होनी ही है. मतलब आप अगर पेस बॉलर हो तो ऐसा तो नहीं है कि आप इंजरी फ्री रहोगे. तो इट इज इम्पोर्टेंट कि आप वो इंजरीज के साथ डील कैसे करते हो ताकि वो आपको बार बार रिकर ना.
आप कुछ ऐसा रूटीन या आप ऐसा कुछ ट्रेनिंग करते हो स्पेशली जो आप इंजरीज से अच्छे से डील कर सकते हो.
सो इंजरीज के बाद मैं जनरली 1.5 to 2 month सिर्फ प्रीहैब करता हूँ. एंड फिर वो जो प्रीहैब करता आया हूँ वो पूरे सीजन तक कंटिन्यू करता हूँ. तो ताकि वही मसल बार बार जो लोड हुआ हुआ है उसको उसके आजू बाजू के मसल स्ट्रेंथ करने का देखता हूँ कि स्ट्रांग हो तो उससे बेटर रह सकता है कि फिर से वही एरिया टारगेट ना हो.
And you have played in India's top age group tournaments among Vijay Merchant, Vinu Mankad, Kuch Behar, and CK Naidu. Which one is more challenging and the most challenging one according to you, and why it is the most challenging?
So the CK Naidu Trophy of the under 23 level, I thought that that was the most challenging because the quality of cricket was very high, and you get to play across people who have almost you get to play across people who might have played Ranji Trophy and then have come down to the under 23 level. So the uh, quality of cricket and quality of batsmen that you face is not that you have played them with, you know them, you are playing with them for the first time. So it's quite difficult to adapt to them.
And now we let's go back to the special performance, the 10-wicket haul. In the Kuch Behar Trophy against Jammu and Kashmir, you took a 10-wicket haul. What clicked that day? Did you feel that match winning vibe early on कि यार यही मैच है, यही 10 विकेट हॉल आ रहा है, ऐसा कुछ vibe?
He's absolutely stunned, so he should be. He's got to go.
वो जो सीजन था कूच बिहार ट्रॉफी का, दैट वाज व्हेन कोविड हैड स्ट्रक एंड इट वाज अ अ बायो बबल टाइप के। जनरली कैसा होता है कि मोस्टली होम एंड अवे मैचेस होते हैं कन्वेंशनल वे में। तो इसमें ऐसा था कि एक न्यूट्रल लोकेशन था विच वाज विशाखापट्टनम, एंड विशाखापट्टनम इज नोन फॉर बैटिंग फ्रेंडली विकेट्स. So in the first four matches where we played, we came across flat tracks, and when my 10 wicket haul came in the fifth match, and when we went for the first time to the ground for practice, we saw the wicket, and it had a green covering of grass. So I thought that this might be my match, and when the match started, the ball was seaming from the wicket, and I thought that this might be my day to pick up wickets and my match.
एंड आफ्टर दैट परफॉर्मेंस टीम में क्या माहौल था, घर पे क्या माहौल था? क्योंकि 10 विकेट हॉल
तो
बहुत बड़ी बात होती है क्रिकेट में.
हाँ, तो ऑब्वियसली सब खुश थे क्योंकि मैच जीते थे, एंड वी वांटेड टू फिनिश ऑन अ हाई दैट सीजन. एंड घर पे भी सब खुश थे कि 10 विकेट हॉल बहुत बड़ी चीज़ होती है. बस तो
And after this match winning knock, and you were also made it to the NCA camp in Surat, a huge moment. That also is a huge moment in any cricketer's life. What was experience in the NCA camp, and what changed your perspective, confidence? उस जर्नी के बारे में कुछ.
तो जब कॉल अप आया, आई वाज नर्वस एंड एक्साइटेड बोथ बिकॉज आई हैड नेवर अटेंडेड सच अ कैंप बिफोर. And when I got there, I was amongst the best performers who had performed in the Kuch Bihar and Vinu Mankar Trophy. So there were 6 camps of 25 players each, and my camp was in Surat. So being amongst the best and practicing day in day out with them, it helped me a lot because they had been performing, and they were the best in that age group.
And you recently also played in the inaugural edition of the Baroda Premier League. How was that experience? Because a new league आई है तो उसमें खेले एक्सपीरियंस, और आपने उसमें अच्छा भी परफॉर्म किया. आपका क्या एक्सपीरियंस था उसमें खेलने का?
So this was the first edition of the Baroda Premier League, and it was a beautiful experience because I had never experienced playing under the lights in a stadium, and the management tried to fulfill all the matches, but because of rain we could not have all the matches. But it just added to the fun playing 5 over, 7 over, 10 over matches. So you get to play against your friends because it is an inter Baroda tournament. So you get to play against your friends and also against the people who are in the senior Ranji Trophy age group. So that was a great experience.
And you have played under 16, under 19, and now under 23. You are also training. Which was the most difficult phase, both physically and mentally?
So the transition from under 19 to under 23 was very challenging because of the physical and mental aspect both, because the quality of cricket, I'll not say it changed drastically, but there were some differences because you get to play across people who have played Ranji Trophy, and it is challenging because in this age your body is not used to that amount of workload. So when you come across bowling 40, 50 overs in a match, it takes a toll on your body physically.
And looking forward, what's next for you? Ranji Trophy, domestic tournament, IPL, national team call up. What are you thinking of? What's the next step?
Right now, the main focus is on performing well in the upcoming under 23 season and helping my team, the BCA, to qualify and win the tournament because I wanted to do it for the Baroda Cricket Association. And the main focus that I want to do it because I want to get into the Ranji team as soon as possible.
बिकॉज रणजी ट्रॉफी आई फील इट्स द बेस्ट टूर्नामेंट. अगर टेस्ट क्रिकेट के लिए कोई भी चाहिए तो इंडिया में बेस्ट डोमेस्टिक टूर्नामेंट है. तो आपका क्या ओपिनियन है कि टेस्ट क्रिकेट, T20 क्रिकेट में, मतलब वाइट बॉल क्रिकेट में, विच इज रैंक्ड अप हायर फॉर यू?
For me, Test cricket is always higher because you have to play for 5 days continuously and you have to play 90 overs every day. So it takes a toll on your body physically and both mentally.
एंड फॉर रणजी ट्रॉफी कैन यू ब्रीफ अस कि आप अभी कैसे ट्रेन कर रहे हो, या फिर अभी जैसे आपने अंडर 23 कोटम्बी स्टेडियम में कैंप है तो वो आप प्रैक्टिस कैसे कर रहे हो, उसके बारे में थोड़ा ब्रीफ.
सो अभी तो हम लोग का ऑफ सीजन कैंप चल रहा है, फिटनेस कैंप, यू कैन ऑल्सो से दैट. एंड आई एम मेनली फोकस्ड ऑन बिल्डिंग एंड इंक्रीजिंग माई स्ट्रेंथ एंड एंडोरेंस फॉर द अपकमिंग सीजन so that I can perform consistently.
और बड़ौदा प्रीमियर लीग हो गई, और ऐसी बहुत सारी स्टेट लीग्स भी आ रही है, तो आप कुछ कोई फॉलो करते हो करंटली बिसाइड्स बड़ौदा प्रीमियर लीग? तो क्योंकि उसका तो आप उनमें से कौन सी बेस्ट मानोगे अभी? क्योंकि देर इज़ दिल्ली प्रीमियर लीग, देर इज़ महाराष्ट्र की आई है अभी, तमिलनाडु प्रीमियर लीग काफ़ी, उनको भी 8-10 साल हो गए हैं. तो डोमेस्टिक में आपको कौन सा लगता है कि सबसे बेस्ट लीग है अभी करंटली?
तो TNPL एंड मुंबई प्रीमियर लीग मेरे हिसाब से सबसे टफ है, बिकॉज वहाँ के जो रणजी ट्रॉफी प्लेयर्स है और इंडिया प्लेयर्स भी खेलते हैं वो लीग, तो वो अलग एक्सपीरियंस होता है कि आप अगर ड्रेसिंग रूम शेयर कर रहे हो इंडियन प्लेयर के साथ, एंड टू प्ले अगेंस्ट देम इज़ ऑल्सो वेरी चैलेंजिंग. तो वो बहुत टफ लीग होती है.
एंड ग्रोइंग अप आपने बोला कि यू टुक फास्ट बॉलिंग, तो ऐसा कोई बॉलर था कि कोई आप जैसे ना जिसका एक्शन आप कॉपी करते थे? जैसे हम लोग ने हरभजन सिंह का कॉपी करा हुआ है, फिर मुथैया मुरलीधरन का वॉज वेरी फेमस एक्शन, तो आप कोई ऐसे पेसर या किसी और बॉलर का एक्शन कॉपी करते हो?
मैं ब्रेटली और हरभजन सिंह की एक्शन बहुत कॉपी करता था, क्योंकि मेरे को ब्रेटली की बॉलिंग बहुत पसंद थी, क्योंकि उनके एक्शन बहुत स्मूथ थी.
And before we close, it's time for a new segment. Quick singles, rapid fire questions, no overthinking, just instinct. Rapid fire. Bhaiya, are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. One international batter, past or present, you had loved to bowl to.
Sachin Tendulkar.
One teammate who always lifts the mood in the dressing room.
So my friend and teammate Dhruv Patel is a player who lifts the mood in any situation.
And if not a cricketer, what would you be doing today?
Honestly, I have not thought about that, but I would probably be an engineering student.
And so let's wrap up today. And it was a very wonderful session. And thank you so much for your time and sharing your journey so openly. Wishing you all the best for what's ahead. We'll be rooting for you. This was Willow and Stump. See you all in the next episode. Like, share, and subscribe. Till then, take care and bye bye.
Thank you.